What's up? Today I'm going to show you a guide of how to fix game low FPS. Before we start, quick tip, the easiest way to skip all the steps in this video and avoid future bugs or errors is to just use ExitLag. If you get it through my link in the description, you'll get an extra discount, and since it's Black Friday week right now, it even stacks for a bigger deal. Alright, let's jump in. Go to the search bar and type, adjust for best performance. Open the settings, apply the changes, and click OK. Defragment and optimize drives. In the search bar, type, defragment and optimize drives. Select all your drives and click optimize. Disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in the search bar. Open it, select your main drive, check all boxes, and click OK. Disable startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable all unnecessary programs. Disable overlays. Steam, go to Steam settings in-game, turn overlay off. Set display refresh rate. Search for Display Settings, then click Advanced Display Settings. Set the highest available refresh rate. Enable Game Mode. In the search bar, type Game Mode. Open it and turn Game Mode on. Then go to Game Bar and turn it off. Graphics Settings. Still under Game Mode Settings, go to Graphics Settings. Turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If you experience stutters, try turning it back off. Background Apps and Notifications. Search for background apps and turn them off. NVIDIA Control Panel, if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Right-click on the desktop, open NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, set to let the 3D application decide. To reset any changes, click Restore at the bottom and then again at the top right. And for the final boost, download ExitLag using my link in the video description. It reduces ping, improves routing, and gives you the smoothest online gaming experience. Don't miss it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.